to hide actually.
Okay.
Nagarji, can I ask one question?
Yes, Ishkaran Bhandari asking you a question.
Can I ask you something? When you saw the door locked, he could be having a heart attack, he could be having a brain hemorrhage, he could be in physical difficulty. Why did you not break the door and wait for a keymaker? And when the keymaker, why did you wait so long? How much time the keymaker took to come? It was COVID. So why did you wait so long? Natural impulses to go in. He could be having a normal physical, anything happening in his body. So why did you wait so much?
We have the keymaker came in just 20 minutes.
No, Ishkar, just ask him. Let me ask him one thing. How did it cross your mind?
1 minute, Ishkaran. Vikas Singh asking a question.
Away. Why did it? I mean, your first anxiety was to see Sushant. So why did it come to your mind that you should send the keymaker away before you open the door? I mean, that's very crucial. I don't understand he has any justification. Your first thought should be of seeing that Sushant is all right. He's safe and he's all right. So instead of that, you are more interested in sending the keymaker away. You're not bothered about Sushant.
Sir, sending the keymaker away, it just took me a minute. I just told him to leave and he have left. And immediately after that, I entered the door. The door was open for me to enter.
But the thing is, why did you not want the keymaker? You could have needed him to carry the person. Somebody is not responding for a few hours. You may need him to take him downstairs. You may need his help. Why would you want to wait for a keymaker? But when the keymaker comes, then you want him not to even enter the room. So what was happening in your mind? I'm just asking your mindset at that time.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, that decision was taken by me and Deepesh together, and we have come to this decision only to keeping Sushant's privacy in mind. It's just
you both discussed this. You both discussed this. It was a mutual decision that even though it could be some health-related thing is inside, but you want to wait for a keymaker and not break the door down, because ordinarily you have anybody not responding, you would knock very hard. He doesn't respond, you will knock harder, and then you will break the door down, because time is crucial. Who knows if you had entered that time? Maybe let us believe your thing. I'm asking you a question, please answer. Let us believe that he was hanging himself. Maybe if you had broken the door, you could have saved him. So, or he could be having a brain stroke, or he could be having a heart attack, or he could be having a normal physical ailment. So you people discussed and thought, no, we will still not break the door down.
We did try to break the door down. We tried pushing the door.
But you didn't call the guard. I questioned you even day before yesterday. You said you didn't call the guard. You didn't call the neighbors. Even when the keymaker came, you waited for 2 hours. 11:30, 11 o'clock is when you found the room was locked. 11:30, 12:30, 1 o'clock is when the keymaker came. I want to ask you, Siddharth Pitani, what were you waiting for so long? Were you cleaning up the room? You said first that you did not know about any torn pages. Then later on you have changed your version and you said, कुछ देखा था मैंने और पानी पी लीजिए और मुझे बताइए. पेजेस फटे हुए थे कि पेजेस फटे हुए नहीं थे?
मैम, कोई भी पेजेस फटे हुए हमको नहीं मिले थे. पेजेस
मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, थोड़ा सा मास्क नीचे करिए, अच्छे से सुनाई देगा.
कोई भी पेजेस फटे हुए मुझे नहीं दिखे उस रूम में. सिर्फ कुछ चिट्स गेम खेलते हैं ना, जो चिट्स खेलते हैं उनकी ड्रॉअर में से पुलिस वालों ने निकाले थे.
और क्या निकाला?
और उनके मोबाइल फोन्स, उनके कुछ 2 आईपैड वो लेके गए थे, फोन्स लेके गए थे और पुराने फोन्स भी लेके गए थे.
सुशांत आपसे कितना लंबा था? सुशांत की हाइट आपसे कितनी ज्यादा थी?
सुशांत की हाइट, मेरी हाइट 5'7", 5'50" बीच का है और सुशांत 5'8" के थे शायद.
कितने थे?
5'8"
के थे. हाँ,
सुशांत 5'8" के थे आपके हिसाब से?
6 feet, 183 centimeters.
6 feet.
He was 183 centimeters, which is
183 centimeters. 5'8".
भाई ये उनके साथ 6 महीने रहे. इन्होंने ना डायरी देखी, ना फटे पेजेस देखे, ना ये सुशांत को मेडिसिन रोज देते थे पर कहते थे आई एम ओनली अ प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएट. I mean, there are so many holes in your story, Siddharth Pitani.
Yes, ma'am. We feel there are